Well, nothing starts the day off right like a hearty breakfast.
That's what's cooking as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Weekend breakfast. Who doesn't love having a nice breakfast with the family on the weekend? I've got one you're gonna love. It's a cheesy breakfast skillet. Let's do it. For this one, you're gonna need some unsalted butter, a little olive oil, a bag of shredded hash browns, couple of eggs, your favorite cheese, and some salt and pepper. I'm using a cast iron skillet for this. I put the cast iron skillet in the oven for like 10 minutes to get it nice and hot. And now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter to that and some olive oil. I just wanna swirl this around in the pan until it melts. Next up are my hash browns. These are frozen. They go right in. And if you can, make a couple of pockets because we're gonna crack some eggs in there. Then I'm just gonna take a little bit of butter and dot it over the top and season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm putting this back in my oven and I just want those potatoes to cook through a little bit and then we're gonna throw some eggs on top. I just took my skillet out of the oven. All I wanna do now is put a little pat of butter where we left that little pocket, and now we're gonna crack our egg into that little pocket. I'm only doing 2 eggs, but you could do 3 pockets and do 3 eggs. Put it right on top. I'm gonna top the potatoes with some cheddar cheese, and this is gonna go back in the oven until the cheese melts and the egg gets set. Serve it up right in the pan for your family. A cheesy breakfast skillet. You're gonna love it. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys, all right? Buon appetito.
For more information on this and other recipes, go to our website, WSVN.com, click on Entertainment, and then on Bite.